Well, we're here on stage 2 of the first daylight day, if you like. This is heading towards La Solaire, up wide mountain roads. Last stage might have been cancelled, lots of people been off on it. We went through, actually did okay, but it was mighty slippery. Anyway, we found the service crew on the side of the road and swapped from a wet tyre onto a TB5 Michelin, which is an intermediate or a dry tyre really. So I'm hoping that will be the right choice. Rob Kavanagh in his 911 there, and here's our boys. Rob, Richard's had a bit of an adventure, and Dave Moore, all revs and wheel spins.
I've never seen Dave go so fast.
What, up through here?
Yeah, you should have seen me go through the stop control last night. It was faster. Hey?
Excellent.
You've got to slow down a little bit, you pair.
Okay, I won't film that.
Roast dry.
I'll zoom in.